Welcome to Aviation Farming and the Mckinley farm on the island of Bohol in the Philippines. Today we'll be on a road trip and going through 3 towns on the way back to the Mckinley farm. Here we are at Trinidad, which is a short distance southwest of the Mckinley farm. The total population of the municipality of Trinidad is about 35,000. There's some waterfalls here and a cave which happens to be the main tourist attraction. Here we are entering Taliban. It has a population of about 71,000 as far as the total municipality of Taliban. Taliban is located just a short distance northwest of the Mckinley farm on the island of Bohol. The local folks here are into fishing, seaweed farming, making fish traps, hats and pottery. Silica, gold, clay, sand and gravel are abundant in their quarries, and these minerals are a big business. Here we are pulling up to a Jollibee's, and a Jollibee's is kind of like a McDonald's in the United States, and they're all over the Philippines. In fact, they opened up a Jollibee's here in Phoenix a couple of years ago, and of course we had to run right over there and try it out. This Jollibee's, it was the actual one I ate at this particular one before. Here's the last town we're going to hit before heading to the McKinley farm. This is Ben Unido, and it's just a short distance from the McKinley farm also. This is the main highway. Here we are turning off the highway to the road that leads to the McKinley farm. Part of it's paved, but not very much of it. And I would relate it to a rural county road like here in the United States, or actually a little less than that. And you'll see what happens, how the road changes when the pavement stops up ahead. Look at that. The pavement ends right here. This is a relatively busy road, and it's really bad during the rainy season. The water just collects everywhere. As you can see, if you meet somebody coming the other direction in a vehicle, one of you is going to pull off and let the other by. It's probably a good thing most people here have motorcycles instead of cars or automobiles. Here we are coming upon the neighboring farm that's adjacent to the Mckinley farm. And here we are at the Mckinley farm, heading up to the main gate. Thanks for riding along with us. Hope you enjoyed at least some of the scenery. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.